Hi crypto enthusiasts, just a quick one. BlockDAG has actually introduced the tap mining bot. If it's not yet to knowledge, I'm here to actually put this to your knowledge. The link is in the description section. You can actually get kickstarted. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually do it. Let's take a ride. Okay, so you're going to see a link like this one. Just click it. If you're unable to trace the description section, what you need to do is you follow the title of the video. At the far right, you'll see the word more. Just click there, then you see other words and you trace this link. Just click it and the bot will load. Okay, so once you are in, you see this. It's saying enter points, BlockDAG.network. Tap the falling balls during the 1 minute game session. Complete the tasks, invite friends. Those are the things that you have to do. If you're unable to invite friends, you simply complete the tasks and then you'll be playing the mini game. If you've been mining Bloom, I'm sure you will know what to do. Okay, so I will be demonstrating everything. So you click next and then use boosters to help you earn even more points. Now these points that you'll be earning, you'll be able to convert them into BlockDAG tokens on the mainnet. So now the saying starts the next game session instantly. That's the thunderstorm. Then time travel reduces the time between game sessions to 1 hour. The rocket makes the balls fall faster so you can earn more tap points per session. These are not different from everything that you've been doing on Bloom, what you've been doing on YesCoin, on Noteboard, Puppies, and all these other tapping bots like Mimify Coin. So it's nothing new. So click next, and then they're saying how you can earn more boosters. Buy BlockDAGs on BlockDAG.network. You get one box with one random booster for each $10 of BlockDAG's bot. Complete the tasks on the tasks page and then a random booster. Buy thunderstorm boosters from within the game using your game points. Click next and boom, we are in. So they're saying how it works. There is a reward for each code ball. Start a game session and earn tap points. Click OK and then you hit start. Okay, so you have to be tapping these balls. You're seeing that I'm actually earning something, right? Keep on tapping the balls. So this is very much like what we do on Bloom. Nothing different. Even on Tomarket. Is it Tomarket? If you're mining so many apps on Telegram, this isn't a surprise and this isn't something so strange. You already know these things, but I'm walking you through. So check out, time is ticking at the bottom there. Time is ticking. So 243 points. I'm remaining. Oh, okay. There we go. 270, 281, 298. They're saying congratulations, your progress to 98 tap points. The next session starts in 2 hours. So you need to be logging back in here every after 2 hours for you to play that game. That game I just demonstrated how to play. Then you can also click tasks. And then it's saying invite 5 friends. Visit the BlockDAG website. Follow us on YouTube. I'm going to click open. I'm doing the tasks one by one. So I'm going to hit subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and then hit back to the app. Check out. As indicated that the task has been done. Okay, then follow on Instagram. If you have an Instagram account, you actually be logged in straight away. Follow anywhere. So I followed BlockDAG on Instagram. I hit back to the app and it's done. You can visit the BDAG app. Let's go tasks. Visit the BDAG website. Pre-sale is live, so you can actually buy some BlockDAG tokens from here. Okay, as simple as this. We go back, it's done. Then we can as well invite 5 friends. Okay, so what I'll do is I will click friends, and then when a link is provided, I will click it, and then it's copied, right? It's copied. I'll need to drop it either on WhatsApp. Let me head on to WhatsApp. So Popo, dropped, then ending Renzo, dropped, and we are done with sharing. We're done with sharing. Let's check out the profile. Let's check out the profile. So we check out the profile by clicking on the bottom right. And then we can actually click the wallet. We can connect the wallet from here. So wallet. Copy the link. Okay, so here we go. Let's try to, they're saying we have to paste that in the browser. Let's go to the browser, to any browser. Let me try to do this first. Okay, so now after copying the link, let's head on to any wallet. I'll make use of Timekeeper. I'm in Timekeeper. Okay, so once I'm in, I will click browser. Then click search or enter address, and I will paste the address that I copied from BlockDAG. Then hit go, and boom, we are in. They say welcome to BlockDAG Tap Miner. Get started by connecting wallet to access the game, and click connect wallet. So they're bringing Coinbase here. Click all wallets. Okay, so which one am I gonna go by? Okay, so you hit connect. Okay, click continue, and boom. So what I've done is I've actually connected my my MetaMask wallet to BlockDAG Tab Miner. Okay, so these are the points I've earned so far. What you need to do is connect this tab to your MetaMask. MetaMask is actually effective. It's effective.